Wherever you are in the world today. I hope you are ready for some good trades. Now, dogs are funny. Anyway, so as I made mention to, I haven't necessarily wanted to get into the market until I've got confirmation from what it wants. We've seen this big move down here, and then it continued to drop. It stopped, and then just started going opposite direction, and then down again. All right, for me, these are unfavorable conditions because if, for example, you get into a position here, then you want to close out over there, price will come down here, it'll then retrace, get back to your entry zone where it'll freak you out, you'll probably close the position to then go back down. So these are the kind of setups that I don't like to jump in on. And the setups I do like to jump in on are the ones that are pretty obvious, the ones that are undeniable, the ones that invite us in. So when there is a long period of consolidation, followed by the short little up to this choppy down and then back up again, it's basically back in range to where it was. And it's just not good enough for me. So what next? Well, market structure is super important to have as a baseline. And right now, price action isn't obvious. All right. So the power and patience comes from having the ability to make strong decisions based on your experience, but also know when to not get in. All right. When there's power of patience or the power to deploy patience according to the information provided. We don't want to chase every candle, every turning point, every high, every low. The only people who want to do that are people without money who are starting into the game and they're trying to make money on the markets, but those who are educated know when to be patient or why to be patient. So, or educated in trading, that is. And this is a time to be patient. Regretfully, all of this has been a time to be patient because of this is death alley. No one wants to trade through that. This has been a very unnecessary short drop, then dirty down, up, and then back down. Okay, I think the dogs want to go for a walk on the beach. I'll keep this short. Where it is right now is I foresee it getting below that low, so a regression over here. The other alternative to that is that it just shoots up in that direction somehow, but I think that's a much lower probability. So expect price to go further down. Where it's going to stop at this point, I haven't quite dedicated enough time to forecast that. I'd rather let it show me the way. It's too late for me to get into this position in any case because of the risk reward ratio. And once the next turning points potentially formed, I'll see whether or not there is enough to the upside for a counter trend trade, or alternatively, perhaps just wait even longer for it to form itself into a responsible position and potentially trade that. But I think the takeaway for today is I'm not going to chase bad setups. So I'm going to stand back here. For those who are in the crypto atmosphere, my last bit of recommendation for you today is to consider other markets. A correctly risk diverse portfolio is when you have asset allocation that are not co-integrated. So many people will put money into Monero and XRP and whatever else inside the crypto sphere, but when Bitcoin pumps or dumps, all of that gets affected. So what you want to do is look at something, one of the best markets you can find in forex, something in an indice. Okay, I gotta get going. The dogs are going mad over here. Beach walk time. Correct asset allocation as well. I was trying to get to there. I'm gonna say ciao for now, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow.